In this lesson on depression, gusto ko pakita sa iyo na idleness can kill. Have you ever seen a person who is happy doing nothing? Sa Tagalog, ang tawag sa kanila, tamad. Sa English naman, tawag sa kanila, lazy. Itong mga tamad and lazy, do you see them happy sa buhay nila? Nung nakita mo sila, what did you tell that person? Pinagsabihan mo ba siya at in-encourage magtrabaho? Nakinig ba siya? Have you ever asked yung mga tamad na tao kung ano ginagawa nila habang wala silang ginagawa? Have you ever wondered kung ano ang iniisip nila habang nakahiga sila doing nothing? Alam mo, minsan may napanood ako sa balita sa Manila. May isang tao pumasok sa isang bahay na huli siya ng CCTV, hinabol siya ng pulis, tumakbo, tapos nahuli. Nung finally nasa presinto na siya, he was being interrogated, there was a reporter who asked him bakit siya nagnakaw. Alam mo ang sagot niya, sabi niya, may pangangailangan lang ho, naggipit lang ho. Alam mo naisip ko, if he only spent his days working, sana natustusan niya lahat ng pangangailangan niya, hindi siya magigipit, hindi pa siya makukulong. However, I am noticing na mas maraming Pilipino ang gustong walang ginagawa. Pagkatapos pag nagipit, either mangungutang, magnanakaw, magsusugal. And I always think, sana kung nagtrabaho lang sila, hindi sila magigipit. Pero ang sagot nila dito, sabihin nila, sa trabaho maliit ang kita. Sayang no, kasi in all my lessons, I have been showing people na ang trabaho ang nakakagawa ng pera kung wala kang pera. Do sabihin mo maliit siya, wala ka namang puhunan. Hindi ka magnanakaw, hindi ka mahuhuli, hindi ka makukulong. Pero on the other hand, meron din ako nakitang hindi tamad, pero hindi makapagtrabaho. They feel physically drained kasi depressed sila for reasons only they know. So maski wala silang ginagawa, pagod sila. Nakarinig ka na ba ng isang taong galit and depressed na sabi niya, pagod na ako. Pero wala naman silang ginagawa. Have you ever felt this? Pagod na pagod ka, pero wala kang ginagawa. Ganito ba pakiramdam mo ngayon? Bakit ang mga taong depressed, pagod, maski wala silang ginagawa? Kasi they dwell on the negative things on life. So yung utak nila at emotions nila, double time. Pagod. And pag napagod ang puso, it starts to affect the physical. Pagod din sila kasi yung tulog nila hindi maganda. Paputol-putol. This drains their energy and further demotivate them. Meron akong tao na hirap matulog and parati siyang pagod maski sabi ko magpahinga na siya. Sa kanya hindi siya depressed kaso lang hindi siya makatulog. Ultimately, people who are depressed will experience mental health issues. And this mental health issue will affect their physical well-being also. Friends, masama bang mapagod? Hindi. It is normal. Kaya nga, God tells us to have a day of rest or Sabbath. Even God knows that a time of rest is necessary. Pero alam ba nyo that the Sabbath is not for everyone? Hindi siya para sa mga tamad. What do I mean? Let me read for you Exodus chapter 20 verses 9 and 10. Sabi ng verse 9, 6 days you shall labor and do all your work. But the seventh day is a Sabbath to the Lord your God. According to the fourth commandment of the Lord, kailangan ka magpahinga on the Sabbath kung nagtrabaho ka for 6 days. Friends, I am learning that the command about Sabbath is not about rest only, pero more importantly, it is about work. Kaya lang tayo dapat mag-rest is so that we can recharge and spend more time with the Lord. Alam mo, naisip ko, ano kaya sasabihin ni God when He goes to church and tell God, Lord, I want to fellowship with you kasi it is my day of rest. Siguro sasabihin ni God sa kanya, anak, bakit ka magpapahinga? Hindi ka naman napagod. Magtrabaho ka muna. Pero dapat natin tanungin, bakit ba importante ang trabaho para sa Panginoon? Remember, He asked us to work 6 days and rest 1 day. Unfortunately, to many people, work is the source of their stress. Is stress a bad thing? Hindi. Alam ba nyo that all creatures God created need to go through stress in order to grow and produce something good? A woman must endure the stress of pregnancy to bring forth life. People need to experience stress so that they can grow physically and healthy mentally. Di ba when you go to the gym, you are encouraged to carry weights na would stress your body so that your muscles can grow? Kaso nga lang, meron din tinatawag na breaking point. When you go beyond that point, people snap, which leads to many complicated mental health issues. Ang trabaho ba ang nagkukos ng depression sa mga tao? Hindi. I am discovering that the lack of work is what brings depression. Sabi ko kanina, people are often idle because they feel paralyzed by their emotional burdens. On the other hand, I also discovered that those who are lazy will ultimately go into depression because their laziness will lead to many complications. Ang taong tamad ultimately becomes a burden to his or her family. So mamaya aawayin siya ng kapamilya niya kasi wala siyang contribution sa bahay nila. A lazy person tends to complain a lot kasi they tend to see what is wrong with the people around them and the situation they're in. Because nothing preoccupies them, they tend to criticize the people around them. So because tamad siya, marami siya nakikitang mali, yung katamaran niya leads to conflict. And when conflict persists, this leads to depression. Alam mo, I have seen some retired people end up in divorce. Kasi nung nag-retire sila, wala silang magawa. And as they stay at home, they tend to see what is wrong sa bahay, what is wrong sa partner nila. I know this because meron ako isang kaibigan, very close friend. He was very, very excited nung nag-retire. Sabi niya daw, makakapahinga na ako. Pero after a while, nabwisit yung misis niya. Kasi nasanay siya mag-utos sa opisina niya, dami niyang utos sa mga misis niya, dami pa niya nakikitang mali. So eventually, the wife divorced him. Bakit? Kasi wala siyang ginagawa na worthwhile. Ang tamad ba na tao, wala talagang ginagawa? Alam mo ba na ang tamad parating naghahanap ng gagawin? Hindi nga lang siya productive. Ang taong tamad, mamamasyal. Pag na-bored siya, magsusugal. Marami ngayon, grabe ang screen time. They spend like 8 hours before the computer kasi wala silang ginagawa. Yung iba naman, pag na-bored sa gabi, magiinom, magbabarkada. Minsan pa mag-mall. The reason why they do this is because inherent sa ating lahat ang desire na may ginagawa because God created us to work. In fact, we see this in Genesis chapter 2 verse 15 when God commanded man to cultivate and keep the garden that he placed them in. So even from the very beginning, man was designed, he was created to work, and yan nasa loob natin. You see, problema ang tamad. Kasi ang tamad, kakain din. Mangangawa yan pag nagutom. Pag nagipit and wala siyang pera, magnanakaw yan. Kaya nga often I will tell people, alam mo ba na mahal maging tamad? It's a very complicated issue and affects the people around us. However, iba ang depressed na tao. While minsan nangangaway na sila pag nabwisit sila, most of the time they stay away. However, napapansin ko, as they isolate themselves from other people, lalo silang nadidepress. Their idleness kills them. Diba, there's even a famous saying that says, an idle mind is the playground of the devil. Ano ang dapat gawin ng depressed na tao para maiwasan niya tong maraming masamang iniisip? Philippians chapter 4 verse 8 offers a very good counsel. Sabi ng verse 8, finally, brethren, whatever is true, whatever is honorable, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is of good repute, if there is any excellence, and if anything worthy of praise, dwell on these things. Pero I am finding that even if pilitin mo sarili mo to think about good things, honorable things, mahirap siyang gawin if we are idle doing nothing. Kaya nga I believe Ecclesiastes chapter 15 verses 19 to 20 is a blessing from the Lord through Solomon. Basahin ko ha. Sabi ng verse 19 of Ecclesiastes 5, everyone also to whom God has given wealth and possession and power to enjoy them, and to accept his lot and rejoice in his toil. This is the gift of God. For he will not much remember the days of his life, because God keeps him occupied with joy in his heart. Sabi ni Solomon, if you accept your lot, tanggapin mo kung anong meron ka. Then decide to rejoice in your toil. Ganda ng sinabi ng verse 20. You will not remember the days of your life because God will fill your heart with joy. Friends, do you want your life to be full of joy? From Ecclesiastes chapter 5 verse 19, I am learning that work is not just a command from the Lord. It is a channel by which God fills our heart with joy. Depression is not a physical issue, but an emotional one. It is an issue that involves our heart. Ano bang ibig sabihin na you will not remember the days of your life because the Lord will fill it with joy? Ang ibig niyang sabihin, pag tinanggap mo kung anong meron ka, and then you decide to work on it and make it better, your mind will be preoccupied with very productive things. And as you become productive, yung ginagawa mo, may reward yon. And as you get your reward and profit from it, magkakaroon ka ng provision to buy whatever you need so that never ka nang magigipit. Habang nagtatrabaho ka, busy ka, hindi mo may isip ang hinanakit mo sa mga tao palibot mo. Hindi mo rin mapapansin ano kulang because you are focused on something worthwhile. Work preoccupies your mind and ultimately gives you joy. Hindi ko alam kung masipag ka o tamad. Ako, nung bata ako, may katamaran ako. Like any teenager, mas gusto ko maglaro kaysa magtrabaho. But then when I grew up, I realized that work brings many good things into our lives. Ang katamaran naman brings a lot of complication. So friend, gusto ko mag-decide ka. Decide to work hard. And you will find na pati depression mo mawawala as you allow your heart and mind to be filled with the good things God has planned for you. Friends, sana natulungan kita. Sana this lesson will help you understand there is a lot of value in hard work. It can even solve your depression. Pag natulungan kita, will you share this video with other people who may be encountering the same problem that you are in? Kung hindi ka naman depressed, narinig mo lang to and meron matutulungan tong video na to, can you share this with them? Help me, help them. Together, let us work to see more people freed from depression and experience joy from the Lord. Maraming salamat sa pagpapanood and may God bless you.